Learning Kiddos presents Are you interested in learning more about woodland animals? Find out why a visit to the forest is fun, what animals live in the forest, what they eat, and how to make cool forest animal crafts. A visit to the forest is fun. Find edible mushrooms, and pick them up. Always ask an adult if the mushroom is edible or not. Climb on trees, but be careful and always know your limits. Feed the squirrels with nuts, but always take an adult. Meet our first woodland animal, the brown bear. They are the second largest bear in the world, after the polar bear. Bears are omnivores. They eat plants and berries, but also fish and small mammals. Did you know that bears have babies during the winter while they are asleep in their cave? The babies cuddle up in the fur of the mama and drink her milk. During springtime, she wakes up and meets her little ones. Bears are found in the forests of North America, Asia, and Europe. Let's meet the fox. The common fox is the most widespread meat-eating mammal in the world. They are omnivores, and like rodents, mice, rabbits, frogs, birds, berries, and even snakes. The home of a fox is called a den. it is usually next to a field for an easy hunt. A fox might show up in your backyard searching for food. Don't feed them to keep them wild. Baby foxes are called pups or kits. The ears of a fox are incredibly good. They even hear mice digging underground. Let's meet the hedgehog. Hedgehogs have prickly spines on their body to protect them from enemies. To be protected, they curl into a tight ball and tuck in their heads, legs, and tail. The hedgehog is a carnivore and eats insects, small mice, frogs, and lizards. Baby hedgehogs have soft and short spines. They stiffen after a few weeks. Meet the deer. Deers are herbivores and mainly eat grass, bark, twigs, and berries. They live in herds to protect each other. A female deer is called a doe or hind, and a little deer is called a fawn or calf. Male deers are called stag or buck and have impressive antlers. Let's meet the beaver. Beavers can live in the water and on land. Beavers gnaw off trees and build dams to create a pond with deep water for their home. This prevents washing away their homes as the dam slows down the flow of the river. Beavers are herbivores and eat trees, bark, twigs, roots, leaves, and water plants. Meet the squirrel. Maybe once you've spotted a squirrel on a tree. Squirrels love to eat nuts, seeds, and buds. Gray squirrel is a common squirrel in North America. Eastern gray squirrels help nature. They collect nuts and seeds and bury them. Sometimes they forget about a few nuts and seeds. They sprout in spring. Meet the snail. Land snails are among the most widely distributed invertebrates around the world. The slime the snail produces helps them to move along more efficiently. Most of the snails are herbivores, but a few land snails are omnivores or even carnivores. Meet the wild boar. Boars love to swim and play in swamps. A female is called sow, and the little ones are called piglets. Boars are omnivores and eat both plant and animal-based foods. Meet our last animal, the gray wolf. Gray wolves can smell 100 times better than humans. They live in packs with a mom, a dad, and their kids. Wolves are carnivores, which means they eat meat as their main food source. Looking for cool craft ideas on our topic? Make a story wheel and find out what wolves eat. Make a cootie catcher and answer the questions about woodland animals. Roll the dice and make the sounds of forest animals. Look at my Pinterest board. for more ideas. Do you like this video? Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.